RYOBI 80-volt HP 30-inch lithium electric zero-turn CrossCut replacement blade assembly guide. Tools needed: torque wrench with a 15mm socket, block of wood, and gloves. Move the mower to a level surface. Make sure the joystick is in the locked, neutral position and the blade and gauge knob is down. Stop the motor, remove the start key, and set the parking brake. Lower the height of the cutting deck to its lowest position. Disconnect the cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Remove the 4 hitch pins and washers that secure the cutting deck in place. Slide the deck out from under the mower. Reverse the process to reattach the cutting deck to the mower. Wedge a block of wood between the blade and mower deck to prevent the blade from turning. Loosen the blade nut by turning it counterclockwise using a 15mm wrench or socket. Inspect the blades and replace one or both as needed. Remove the blade nut, spring washer, and blades. Place the new blade in the shaft against the corresponding blade post. Ensure blades are properly seated with shaft going through the center blade hole and the 2 blade posts are inserted into their respective holes on the blades. Make sure the lower blade is installed with the curved ends pointing up towards the mower deck and not down towards the ground. When seated properly, the straight sides should be aligned and the blade should be flat against the blade post. Replace the spring washer, then thread the blade nut on the shaft and finger tighten. Torque the blade nut down clockwise using a torque wrench to ensure the bolt is properly tightened. The recommended torque for the blade nut is 600 to 650 inch-pounds. Repeat with second blade if needed. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.